Namaste, I'm Archana. In today's session, we're going to be using our movement as an anchor to be present and our breath as a guide as we flow through the asanas. So let's begin by sitting in a comfortable seated position, keeping our back straight, chin parallel. Hands come to rest either on our thighs or on the mat. Now breathe in, create length in your spine. Completely exhale through your mouth, letting your whole body go heavy on the mat. Again, inhale. This time, as you exhale, close your eyes. Raise your shoulders towards your ears. Push it back, drop it down. Relax your shoulders, soften your breath. Relax your jaw. Relax your forehead. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. Drop your right ear to your right shoulder. Eyes continue to stay closed. Just lean towards your right side and then lean forward. Right shoulder towards your right knee. Belly towards your leg. Left shoulder towards your left knee and back. You're going to keep your eyes closed and do body rotations 3 clockwise. Once you're done with 3 clockwise, move anti-clockwise. This doesn't have to be perfect. Just tuning into how your body feels. Slowly raise your shoulders towards your ears. Inhale. And as you exhale, drop your shoulders down. Open your eyes with a few blinks, keeping a soft gaze. Swing your legs to one side. Come on to your palms and knees. Arch your back, chin just gaze forward. And as you breathe out, pull the navel in, lift your knees up. Step your right leg between your palms. Left leg stays behind, left heel is raised. Stack your right knee over your right ankle. Inhale, reach your hand up. Ashta Chandrasana. Breathe out. Drop your back leg. Lean forward. Prasarita Paduttanasana. Inhale. Bring your gaze forward. Left heel lifts off. Walk it closer. Bring it all the way forward and kick your leg out. Hands come up. Ekapadasana. Breathe out. Drop your legs down. Hinge. Fold forward. Padahastasana. Inhale. Halfway lift. Ardhahastasana. Breathe out. Fold forward. Padahastasana. Inhale, up. Exhale, turn and look towards your right. Breathe in, reach up. Hinge, Padahastasana. Halfway lift. Breathe out again, Padahastasana. Press into the earth. Inhale, reach your hands up. Exhale, turn and twist to the left side. Breathe in, reach up. Breathe out, fold forward. Bend your knees. Bring both your feet. If you need to, shake your legs out. Inhale and exhale. Now step your left leg between your palms. Adjust your back leg. Breathe in, reach up. Breathe out, Fold forward. Prasarita Padottanasana. Inhale, bend, lift your left leg balance. Knee comes up, kick your leg out, reach your hands up. Padasana. And one. Drop it down. Hinge, fold forward, Padahastasana. Now, bend your left knee, drop your left hand on the mat, right hand up towards the ceiling, right leg straight. Breathe out, down, bend, stretch and reach. Back again. Ardha Hastadasana. Breathe out, fold, Padahastasana. Press into the earth. Inhale, reach your hands up. Interlace your fingers. Press your interlaced fingers towards the ceiling. And here, if you can, raise your heels off the mat. Hold. 2. And 1. Release. Forward fold. Breathe in. Halfway lift. Breathe out. Step back. Come into your plank, fingers open wide. Drop. Inhale. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Press into the earth. Pull the navel in. Push back. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Legs wide. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. One more deep breath in. And out. Open your legs wide. Drop your right elbow, left elbow, crown of the head in the direction of the mat. Feet flat, fingers open. Take another deep breath in. Completely exhale, sinking your feet further. Crown in the direction of the mat. Forearms pressing into the mat. Back onto your palms. Bring your feet together. Cross at your ankle. Swing your legs through. Reach your right hand forward. Left hand forward. Right leg off the mat. Inhale. Completely exhale. Slowly drop it down. Breathe in. Reach up. Breathe out. Forward fold. Inhale. Come all the way. Hold. 2. Again, breath in. Reach up. Breathe out to the outside. Inhale. Hold. 2 and 1. Reach up. Now the other side. Forward fold. Breathe in. 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Up. Exhale. Reach your hands forward. Breath in. As you breathe out, belly collapses towards your thigh. Gaze forward, eyes open or closed. One more breath in. As you breathe out, drop your chin to chest, forehead in the direction of your knee. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale, come all the way up. Take your left hand, grab hold of your right toe. Lift it off the mat. Reach and stretch. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. 2 and 1. Drop this hand behind. Bend and drop. Bend your knee. Drop your foot on the outside. Grab hold of your knee. Inhale. Completely exhale. See that your left toe is engaged. Heels pointing up towards the ceiling. Release. Reach your hands up. This time, right hand grabs hold of your left foot. Stretch and hold. 2 and 1. Bend and drop it down. Grab hold of your knee. Twist. 2 and 1. Release. Release both your legs. Hands reach forward. Slowly roll down. Hug your knees towards your chest. Breathe in. Breathe out. Continue holding your left knee towards your left chest. Right leg points up towards the ceiling. Point it towards your face, towards the ceiling. Drop this leg down. Grab hold of your right knee. Left knee. Drop it on the right side of the mat. Turn and look towards your left fingertips. Inhale and exhale. See if you can grab hold of your toe again. Stretch that leg out. 2. Supta Padangusthasana. And 1. Release. So press the thigh close. Slowly drop it down. Now bend your right knee. Grab hold of your ankle. Stretch. You can come up. 3, 2, and 1. Release. Bend that knee. Drop your head. Point your toes away towards you. Away towards you. Slowly drop it down. Right knee towards the left side. Arms like the letter T. Big inhalation, complete exhalation. And this is comfortable. Simply stay here. If not, grab hold of the toe. Stretch it out. 2 and 1. Bend. Straighten the leg. Bend the other leg. Straighten it out. Bring and hold. See that you're pressing your right heel in the mat. And 1. Hug both your knees to your chest. If you can, bring your chin towards your knee. Slowly drop down. Widen your legs as wide as the mat. Legs flop to the side. Stretch your hands out. Supta Tadasana, your lying down star pose. Shifting all your awareness to your breath. Noticing your breath as it moves in through your nose, back of your throat, your chest, your abdomen. And as you breathe out, notice the air coming out of your nostril. One more deep breath in. Completely breathe out. Letting your breath soften. Letting your body sink into the mat. Every time you exhale, letting go of things that don't serve you. Stay here for as long as you feel like. I'm going to end the session by chanting one round of Om. If you're with me, bring your legs together. Arms come to rest next to you. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, Om. Thank you so much for doing this practice with me. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. If you think this video was helpful to you, please like and share. Namaste.